Hello everyone, welcome to Mina's Violin Songs and Tutorials. Violin is such a musical instrument. It is small, light, one can easily carry it from one place to another place. Also, depending on your age and height, there are different kinds of violin available. There are some benefits that one can get from playing a violin. To know about the benefits of playing a violin, one can see my YouTube video lecture, Who Can Play Violin? Benefits and Resources. That's also uploaded on this channel. Today, in this video, I am going to introduce you with the violin strings and the musical notes where they are located on the string. Good dogs are everywhere. So the string that is closest to you is called a G string. Good dogs, D string. The next one is called A string, then everywhere E string. All musical sounds are composed of 7 different notes. And the 7 different notes are denoted by the first 7 letters from English alphabet. That is by A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now, I am going to tell you where the notes are located on the strings. So on G string, on the G string, the first note starts with G sharp or A flat. The next note is, second note is A, then A sharp or B flat. Then B, C, C sharp, D flat, then D. Then on D string, you have D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, and then A. Now look at that. This note is same as this note. So if you press your finger at this location on D string and play the violin, then the note that will be generated is called note A. That same note will generate not putting any finger on the A string. If you play the A string, then the note that will generate is also A. Then this E, so this E you can play in 2 different ways. Either pressing the string A at this location and playing the violin on the A string, or not pressing E string and playing the violin on E string. Same note will be generated. Then on E string you have F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, and B. Now I am going to tell you how they are located on the strings. Here it is. See, G, D, G, G sharp or A flat, these are the same musical notes on G string that I showed you here, these ones. Then on D, these are the notes which are in the order here. Similarly on A string and E string. These notes are called first position notes. Can you add more notes? Yes. Here you can add more notes. The new notes and together with some notes from here is called a second position notes. Here it is. Second position notes. Then can you add more? Yes. Adding more notes, the notes together with the second position and more notes that you're adding with the new notes is called a third position notes. Can you add more? Yes. That is called fourth position notes. And you can add more notes, that is called fifth position notes. That's all. Now if you see first position notes, second position notes, third position, fourth position, fifth, that means there are lots of notes. But remember, if you know how to play the first position notes, then you can play most of the songs. Also, if you know how to play first position notes, then you can easily learn second position, third position, fourth, fifth, that they are just repetition, just location is different. These musical charts, fingering charts, for example, this one I collected from here, website is given, and this one I collected from Violin Inspiration online violin lessons. I am grateful to them, to these websites, because I have used their charts in this video. Now, I am going to tell you how the notes are written in a musical book or in a music book. So notes, that means the songs are represented by notes. Notes in a music book are written using 5 long lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces between them. These 5 long lines and 4 spaces are called staff. Then there are 2 short lines below and 2 short lines above, though it is not showing here. These 4 short lines are called ledger. So the staff and the ledger helps us to write all musical notes in a book. And also, you see there are some divisions. Each division is called a measure. So there are, all the notes are written inside the measure. Remember, although it is showing here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes here, 5 notes here, but it may not be same. There may be 3 notes here, 4 notes here, maybe 5 notes here. But remember, the significance of the measure is that you have to spend, suppose 20 seconds for this to play all notes in this measure, then you have to spend 20 seconds also to play all notes in this measure. That means you have to spend same amount of time in each measure when you are playing a song on a violin. The details I'm not going to mention here. Hopefully I'll upload another video discussing all details about it. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you think you have learned something from this video, I would like you to subscribe the channel. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. God bless you.